In this quick video guide, I'm going to show you how you can use Sketchup and Lumion together and synchronize using the Live Sync extension that you can find in the extension warehouse in Sketchup. So first of all, we can see here that we are synchronized. So I'm moving here in Sketchup, and I'm also seeing the same movement in the Lumion part in the right side. I can also change the scenes here that I have created in the SketchUp file, and everything, as you can see, it's synchronized. So how can we do that? It's pretty simple. So let me just show you how to do. So you're starting from SketchUp probably. So what you need to do is to go in the extensions warehouse, and you just need to search for, well, this is the extensions management, and you can already see that I have installed here the Lumion Live Sync for SketchUp. So let's get to the extension warehouse. It's this icon right here, and then you can just search for Lumion, and you're going to find here Lumion Live Sync. So click here, and all you need to do is, this is free by the way, so you don't have to pay for this, but you need to have Lumion. So you can use it like for study, for trial, or you need to buy Lumion, and then you can install it. And when you install it, you should see a small toolbar appear. So you just right click if you don't see it and look for the Lumion toolbar or Lumion Live Sync. There it is, and then you can place it anywhere. And you can then split your screen in two parts, in two halves. So in the left side here I have SketchUp, and in this part I have Lumion. Okay, now you can decide if you want to synchronize your camera or not. So if you want to stop the synchronization, you can click here. Okay, once your model is in, you can then work here in Lumion by adding a lot of really high quality and high detailed trees, people, animals, vehicles. You have a lot of content here that you can just drag and drop, and it's gonna look way better than the standard SketchUp components, or the 2D people and so on. Well, of course, SketchUp it's much more lighter, but if you want to have more realistic effects, you need to insert more detailed and heavier models here. Now you can see I have deleted the car, and this is also updated in the Lumion part, while when I add Lumion stuff in Lumion, like cars or other assets, this will not be loaded into SketchUp. So in this case, it's a one-way modification. So you can modify here your project, but it's gonna go only from SketchUp to Lumion. So if you're interested in learning SketchUp or Lumion, please write your comments, your questions and suggestions also. And if you're interested, you can search for in our channel for Lumion and SketchUp video guides and video courses. This will be all. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.